I recently sold about 14 speakers to someone who wanted to create something, and he was more than happy to pay $2 a set. So, sorry, $2 a speaker. So, made about $30 off speakers. So, I always keep those. Also, the bass, I noticed, I don't want to turn it upside down because in here there's screws in there. But the bass also sells for quite a bit, around 30 to $50. So my friend gave it to me. He was gonna trash it. Pretty much, there's not much scrap because all the boards are good. Like I said, he just punched the TV and broke the screen. So for scrap value, there's not much scrap value other than maybe a few cents, maybe 50 cents or something of steel. There's that nice board I showed you on the plasma screen, which is pretty much full of gold for people who like to extract the gold and everything from boards and all that. So there's a nice little board there. I don't do that, so I'm probably gonna put it on my in my peripheral board pile and sell it like that. So I might get a quarter or something off of that. And the parts alone, there should be at almost $200, $150 to $200 in parts. So that's pretty much great news for something that my friend was about to trash. So you know, I couldn't find any information using the model number, but once I opened it, the dollar signs popped out. So that's great news for me. Make some money. Hopefully, this helps you make some money too by opening up these newer TVs, plasmas, LCDs, LED TVs. Just look at the part numbers. Every board has a part number. Somewhere on the board, just look it up and you'll find all the information you need. So there's no real use of putting any scrap value because almost all of this is sellable online part wise. But let's say you do find one of these on the curb. Obviously you could test it, but who knows if there's water damage or anything like that. So then you'd scrap it for scrap value. At least that's what I would do. And scrap value, maybe a few dollars. I don't think more than that. There's some peripheral boards, some gold plated stuff. Like I said, the board and all the other boards and connectors and tips. Maybe some silver and the little buttons. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video is going to help you guys out in regards to these types of TVs. And hopefully I'll come out with a new video soon. If you guys want to leave any comments, that would be great. Share information, that's even better. Everyone learns from it. If you guys have any ideas on how to fix this the screen without actually paying $200 for a replacement, that would be extremely useful, and I'm sure extremely useful to a lot of people. So share, like, subscribe. Hopefully everyone gets to make some money off this video. Talk to you guys soon.